Hello and welcome to this week's edition of the Green Wisdom Health Show. I'm Janet Lewis.
And I'm Dr. Lewis.
And we are bringing you an exciting, uplifting show because I know you guys are all waiting for one out there with all this that's happening. We thought we'd put you in a cheery mood and talk to you today about signs your liver might be toxic. Don't that sound like fun? I know Dr. Lewis is ecstatic over here.
It can be fun.
You know, we just thought there's so much going on right now, and there seems to be a lot of anger associated with a lot of it. And we started correlating anger to, people are drinking more at home. They're probably taking more medications, trying not to have anxiety. And the liver is probably not very happy because there's an old saying that says, if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. Well, that would be your liver. So today...
I've said that about the thyroid, though.
Well, that too. Thyroid's, yeah. But the liver's bigger. Isn't it like the size of a football or something?
And I'm going to... Somewhere in this podcast, I'm going to tie the two together.
It gets a lot of... it gets overlooked a lot, and it has to do a whole lot of work. So we thought we'd give it a little bit of credit today and teach you a little bit about signs your liver may be toxic. And also part of this came from a young lady that walked into our store. She's a sweetheart, and she just started with us maybe 3 months ago, and she's been consistently buying everything we tell her to buy and coming in and getting more things and asking us all these questions. And she came in the other day and said, part of me just don't feel good, and the other part of me feels great, and I can't figure out why. And she said, I'm keeping a urinary tract infection that I can't seem to get rid of. Well, we started talking to her about what kind of soap she was using. Well, she didn't know anything about